Hey, what's up guys, Nathan TW here, back with another video. And in today's video, first before the video starts, I'm going to, well, I couldn't upload before. I was gonna upload on my birthday, which was the 12th, but I didn't get a chance to, because I had a lot of things to do. But now, I'm gonna start a new, channel series, so, a new channel series based on a challenge. And that challenge is the 24/7 underwater challenge, and that begins as soon as I go underwater. So there are a few things that a few rules that I added to it as well, or like things I need, because when it comes to water in Minecraft, I'm not that good. I'm not that good with like water in Minecraft, so yeah, I'm gonna start with a turtle shell, and I have a Minecraft day to collect everything I need, and then I have to go underwater. Well, that's what the YouTuber said the challenge was about. And yeah, if I like go into the Nether, there is no water in the Nether, so I can go wherever I want in the Nether and the end. So if I have to go above the water any time, then the challenge is over and the series is over. Well, alright guys, I gotta go collect some stuff, and then I'll be right back with you guys with my I've been planning a base, so I'm build that underwater, and then I'll be back as soon as I build it. And then I might even keep a piece of paper with me, just so that I can like add anything else to my base that needs to be added. And also, sometimes I will be playing on this playing with friends on this world, but I will only normally do that on a video. So I am gonna have someone hopefully in the next video. But since I'm recording on my phone, I won't be able to, like, you guys won't be able to hear him, but it'll be in the chat. Alright, so I'll be right back, guys, and I'll be right back as soon as my base is finished. Alright, see ya. Like a Hellcat. Alright guys, I'm back, and the challenge has officially started, so let me switch my perspective real quick. Alright guys, so now, wait, what? It didn't work. Okay. I'm gonna give you guys a tour. So this is the kitchen. Oh yeah, and by the way guys, this took me like, wait, what is that turtle doing here? How did it even get up there? I'm not even gonna question that. But this took me basically a couple of hours yesterday, because I'm recording this the day after yesterday, because I didn't know what to do then, so I had to I had to make like like a blueprint, except it was on normal paper. But anyways, here's the bedroom. As I mentioned earlier, I will be playing on this world with friends. Sometimes they will be in my video, and that's why I have a guest bed in this room. I also have a farm. I like to call this the scenery area where you can see above. Oh boy. Seagrass, so that I can get more turtle helmets, because it's not really, I never really knew how to, I forgot how to craft a turtle helmet, so I had to, Google it, and yeah, I mean, well, this is my base, and I will show you what the outside of it looks like. Where is it? Oh, it's over here. Oh yeah, also, for the base, sponges are going to be super helpful. Oh no, I forgot to put on my helmet. Oh my gosh, I forgot about them. Oh my gosh. Oh right guys, I already spawn pointed under the water. Why am I dying? Go away. Okay, I didn't know why I was dying. Well, that is basically this video. I didn't want to make it too long. It's just it's just episode 1 of the deep sea survival. I'm gonna call it the deep sea survival challenge. It might be something different on YouTube, but maybe not. So I'll see you guys in the next video. And again, I will try to upload as soon as possible, because I don't want to do what I did last time. So, oh yeah, and for you guys wondering, as I said earlier, my birthday was on the 12th. If you're wondering how old